The sun kana, most beautiful parrots in the world, with its vibrant blend of orange, yellow, green and splashes of blue. The sun kana stands out as a true masterpiece of nature. Its plumage is like a living rainbow, catching the eye of anyone fortunate enough to witness its beauty. Not only is the sun kana a visual delight, but it also possesses a playful and intelligent nature. These birds are known for their curious personalities, playful antics, and ability to mimic human speech. They're entertaining. Nature makes them a perfect companion for bird lovers seeking a lively and engaging pet. Sun kanas are native to the tropical rainforests of South America, particularly Brazil and Guyana. In the wild, they feast on a variety of fruits, seeds, and nuts. Sun kanas are highly social birds and thrive on companionship. They form strong bonds with their owners and enjoy interactive playtime, spending quality time with your sun kana, offering toys for mental stimulation and providing a spacious cage are essential elements in ensuring their happiness.